Day 9 of 64 days and ways to peace, to nonviolence. And today's word is envisioning. Visioning. Visioning means bringing into you quite viscerally an image of what you would like to see. And one can say that if we cannot create a vision, an image of peace and of attaining peace in nonviolent ways, then the chances of us ever achieving that are very, very small. When we create an image, a vision, and whether you see this as a picture or you sense it, you feel it, you hear it as a sound, please don't limit vision to just the visual. Know that what we're inviting you here to have is an image, in whichever way that you work with images, to develop a sense of knowing in yourself of what peace is and how peace can be achieved through nonviolent means. If we hold this picture, this idea, this image deeply in us, then it becomes like the star that guided the wise people, right? Our vision, every organization creates a mission and a vision, right? And what comes first, the mission, the vision? We need to be able to have that image of what is possible. When we find and seek purpose, as a human being, our thoughts generally create an image of some potential outcome. And it is from seeing the positive outcome of something that we then generate the means to find our way there. So would you take today 5 minutes, 10 minutes, a few moments to imagine that right here at the intersection of your vertical and your horizontal lines, what in the Chekhov technique we call the ideal artistic self, can you imagine that from there, that an image, a vision of peace can fill you? And could you imagine that that could radiate out? Could you spend 5 minutes visioning peace across the earth and across the cosmic forces? Peace among the invisible forces. Peace on the inside you. Peace and vision, peace between you and among us.